Well, the wife said an engine light came on. Sure enough. Hey folks, welcome to the Dark Hollow Garage. Well, what we're working on with the code here, which is an 0507 high idle, could possibly be that right there. We're working on a 3.7 liter V6 Jeep Liberty. Alright, let's get into this. Alright, so we got the pipe off the throttle body. We've got this disconnected. We're going to get this off and we're going to clean it up. Alright, so here's the throttle body off of the Jeep. She's pretty grungy. I don't know if you can see that down in there, man. She's pretty dirty. And it had a clean air filter on it. Everything looked good, but we're going to go ahead and give this baby a clean up. We'll be back here in just a second. So I have some throttle body cleaner. I've got an old toothbrush here. And we're going to just lightly, nothing crazy, we're just going to get her cleaned up. We sprayed some stuff in there. Just wiped it out a little bit with the old toothbrush. I'm trying to do this one hand holding the camera. Hang on, let's give her a spritz. Yeah, that gives you an idea of what I'm up to here. Just light pressure, we're not getting nuts with it. I'll be back here in a little bit. Let me put this camera down so I can work on this. There we go. So much nicer, nice and clean. Looking good. Alright, let's get her put back on. Alright, we got our throttle body back on. We've got our tube put back on. We got us a nice brand new air filter, even though the other one didn't look bad. Let's turn the key on. 0507. Let's erase the code. Okay. Now, let's fire it up. Alright, the engine light is gone. We just have to take it for a test drive now and see if it comes back. Alright, put a couple miles on her. Code's cleared. No engine light coming on. Looks like we got that one taken care of. And there you can see we have 0 codes detected. Now for a bonus on this little video, I'll just show you real quick. This is a Rain-X headlight restorer kit. Of course, everybody knows the headlights get all yellowed out. Well, my wife's been out of work and she may have a lead on a job, and it might require once a month going to night meetings. And the headlights are terrible. You got this number 1, number 2, number 3 sanding block. You have the lubricant for sanding with those. You have, it's like what is that? Compound, rubbing compound, and then a sealer. Let me show you something. This one I have not done yet. Looks pretty bad, don't it? Yuck. Now let's check this one out. Not too bad. I have no idea how long it'll last. But when she has to drive at night, because this Jeep rarely ever got driven at night, she'll be able to see. Alright folks, let me get after that other one. Be back in a second. Alright, there's number 2. I'll have to replace these sooner or later, I'm sure, but for now that'll help. But I do have to admit, I cheated. I used my air buffer for the compound part of it. Alright. And pretty soon we're going to be doing some work on the shop truck here. Oh, the leaves are getting falling on it. Fall is here. We're going to do some valve cover gaskets to her. Alright folks, well that pretty much covers that. Those headlights, I don't know. See how long that stuff lasts. She's going to possibly work for Smoky Mountain Board of Realtor Association or something like that. And she'll be recording the minutes at the meetings once a month. So what the heck? Figured my mechanic that I worked with at Harley Davidson gave me that kit. Oh, I don't know, 7 years ago, Mark. I finally used it. We'll see if it lasts. All right, folks. Well, like I said, we'll be probably doing valve cover gaskets on the old shop truck here pretty soon. I think I'm going to strip and recoat the valve covers too in that episode. So, well, I appreciate y'all coming in, hanging out with me. I know it's a short one, but it was an easy job. I appreciate you. We'll catch you next time.